Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You want to start now? Power the Ps4 and sign into a user so the system accepts a new device. Connect the DualShock 4 to the console with a working USB cable. Make sure the cable seats firmly. Once connected, press the PS button. This triggers the initial wired pairing sequence. Doing this lets the console detect the controller as an input device immediately. It also charges the controller while the system writes the pairing data. Make sure the light bar responds before moving on. If the controller didn't register or you prefer wireless, place it into Bluetooth pairing mode by holding PS and share together until the light bar flashes rapidly. Then, on the PS4, navigate to Settings, choose Devices, and open Bluetooth devices. The console scans for nearby controllers. Select the matching DualShock entry from the list. The system will negotiate a secure wireless link. Once you hear the confirmation sound and the light bar steadies, the controller is paired and ready. Finish by testing sticks, buttons, and the touchpad on the home screen so you know inputs register correctly. Unplug the USB cable to confirm the wireless connection stays active, and check the battery indicator so you can charge if needed. If the controller won't pair, don't panic. Use a paperclip to press the tiny reset button on the back for 5 seconds, reconnect via USB, and repeat the pairing steps. This clears stale pairings and typically resolves connection stubbornness.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.